RSI is a momentum-based technical indicator which compares the magnitude of recent price gains to recent losses in an attempt to determine whether an asset's price is either overbought, where a lot of buying has occurred, or oversold, where a lot of selling has occurred. RSI is calculated using the following formula. The scale on the RSI ranges from 0 to 100, increasing from bottom to top. An asset's price is deemed to be overbought when there's been excessive buying of the asset when the RSI indicator goes above the 70 level. When the RSI is above the 70 level, it means that the asset may be overvalued at that point in time, and we could see a pullback or fall in the price of the asset. When the RSI indicator goes below the 30 level, the asset is said to be oversold, i.e., excessive selling has taken place. And when below the 30 level, the RSI indicates that the asset may be undervalued at that point in time, and we could therefore see a rally in the price action as buyers step in. The settings we use at Wade Gordon Signals are actually more excessive than the general settings used by day traders. We use a period of 7 with an overbought zone of 80 and an oversold zone of 20. This ensures that if the RSI indicator does indeed break into either the overbought or oversold zone, there is a very high chance of a reversal in the price action occurring. To add the indicator into MetaTrader, simply go to Insert on the main menu, Indicators, Oscillators and Relative Strength Index. Change the period to 7 and the oversold and overbought levels to 20 and 80 respectively. Apply the calculation to the closing prices. Click OK and the indicator will be applied to your chart below the price action. When the RSI is below 20 in the oversold zone, we are looking for call options. It tells us selling has dried up and we are looking to see buyers, the bulls, to now step in, take control and drive the price of the asset upwards. And when the RSI is above 80 in the overbought zone, we are looking for put options. It tells us that buying has dried up and we are looking to see sellers, the bears, to now step in and take control and drive the price of the asset downwards. Here's an example. You can see the RSI indicator and the overbought and oversold levels at the bottom of the chart window. When the RSI is below 20, we are on the lookout to place call options, and bringing in what we learned from the previous lesson, we would also be looking for the price action of the asset to be testing one of the pivot lines as support. And when the RSI is above 80, we are on the lookout to place put options. Again, bringing in what we learned from the previous lesson, we would also be looking for the price action of the asset to be touching one of the pivot lines as resistance this time. This gives us confidence that the price action of the asset will move in the direction we predict.